After F9, OPPO made a bit of a switch by releasing its first R-series smartphone in the country, the R17 Pro. Now, they're back at it again with the latest iteration of their well-loved F-series, the OPPO F11 Pro. Join me as we unbox and give you our first impressions of the new OPPO F11 Pro. The OPPO F11 Pro benefits from a number of nifty upgrades from its predecessor, starting with the design. This particular variant we have, called Thunder Black, uses 3 gradients for its back panel, which reacts beautifully and uniquely when illuminated at certain angles. You can also see that they've changed the branding to a new layout, which actually makes the device look more premium. Moving on to the display, OPPO has gotten rid of the notch and gives you a 6.5 inch of real estate for all your content. This gives the device a screen-to-body ratio of 90.9%. Powering the phone is the new Helio P70 octa-core processor, which offers up to 13% better GPU performance compared to the previous generation, along with the 6GB of RAM and up to 128GB of storage, expandable using a micro SD card. OPPO F11 Pro sticks to 2 shooters at the back. Its 48MP main sensor has an aperture of f1.79, which greatly improves its light sensing capabilities. There's also a 5MP depth sensor for adding that gorgeous depth of field effect to your photos. OPPO has added some new features. There's Ultra Night Mode, which uses AI and multi-frame noise reduction to achieve superb brightness and level of detail, and Dazzle Color Mode, which uses AI to identify specific scenes and enhance colors accordingly. To tease you a bit, here are a couple of shots taken using Ultra Night Mode in very minimal lighting. Compared to its closest competitor, the OPPO F11 Pro produces slightly brighter photos and is able to capture a decent amount of detail. AI scene recognition has also been improved and can now recognize a total of 23 types of scenes and 864 combinations, intelligently setting up the camera to obtain the best photo possible for every type of subject. OPPO F11 Pro uses a 16MP motorized rising front camera, which only activates when unlocking the device, and when taking a selfie, of course. Just by observation, it's not as fast as the one on the V15 Pro, but it's not too slow either. OPPO didn't say how many cycles it's been tested for, but we can probably assume that it won't fail easily. As far as quality of selfies are concerned, I was actually surprised at the level of detail and how accurate it can detect edges. The device runs on Android Pie with ColorOS 6 on top. This custom UI introduces a new visual design with support for Android Pie's navigation gestures, notification bar optimization, and many more. OPPO is also including its own independently developed performance acceleration engine called HyperBoost, which in the simplest terms allows apps to launch faster and improve gaming performance with compatible titles. Speaking of gaming performance, you can run PUBG Mobile at HD+, high frame rate setting without any issues. You still get that game space, which is a dedicated place to manage all the games in the device. It also offers a number of performance modes like high performance, balanced, and low power consumption. Lastly, there's Game Assistant, which allows you to perform certain actions while playing a game, such as taking a screenshot or even recording what's on screen. OPPO F11 Pro packs a 4000 mAh battery and is now equipped with VOOC 3.0 technology, which allows the phones to be fully charged in 80 minutes. And now to recap, here are the full specifications of the OPPO F11 Pro. So that's it guys. Thank you and I hope you enjoyed watching this unboxing and first impression. Stay tuned for our full review on Gadget Pilipinas. If you haven't subscribed to our page, now is the best time to do that. Clicking that bell button as well will help the channel a lot and will keep you updated with any of our new updates and contents. Again, this has been Gian and see you again soon.